Yes, Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period we have completed up to the question number 4 of exercise 8, and I am hoping that everybody of you have learned the middle term splitting. Okay, today onwards we are going to learn that the divide the given monomial by the monomial. How to divide the monomial by monomial? We have to given question 121x to the power 4 upon 11x. So how we will do? 121x to the power 4 means 4 time I have written x divided by 11x. So x and x will become cancel. 11 and 121, if you will divide 11 times, it will cancel. So what will be your answer? 11. And how many x will remain now? X cube. So this will be your answer. See that now the which part? B part of this question. 144 p to the power 5 q square r cube divided by 3 q square r square. Okay, so beta, see that how you will do this question. 144 p to the power 5 into q square into r cube. I can write that r into r square. Yes or no? R to the power 1 or r to the power 2. If I will add them, it will become r to the power 3. Okay, and why I am writing? For r convenience, so that I can make them cancel. 3 q square and r square beta. So r square and r square will become cancel beta. Okay, and q square and q square will also become cancel. So what will remain now? Make it cancel. 3 to 144. 3 4 ja 12. 2 will 3 8 ja 24. 48 is coming. So 48 p to the power 5 and r only remaining. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Now see that beta, this question. Okay, 1300 x cube, I can write that x into x square. Yes or no? Y cube also I am writing y into y square. For making them cancel, I am writing in this way, into z square. Okay beta, upon 52 x square y square or z square. Now see that x square will become by cancel x square, y square by y square, z square by z square. Now divide 52 1300 by 52. If you will divide beta 1300 by 52, how many times it is becoming cancel beta? 25 is coming at your answer if you will divide it. Okay, so 25, x will remain, here y will remain or z will remain. So this will be your answer. So same questions are D and E part. So I am leaving those questions for you so that you can do these questions yourself for your personal practice. Okay, these questions you will perform yourself in your homework part. Okay beta, now come to the question number 6, that is divide as directed. See that now. See that this question now. Divide as directed. 36y to the power 8. Here everywhere y is there beta. So you can take y as common. If you will see that all of them, they are the factor or means they are multiple of 12. So you can take them 12 also common from there. So how you will do? Take 12 and how many, which is the least power? Y to the power 4. Okay, so 12 y to the power 4 you can take as common. Okay beta, so see that. Now divide 36 by this 12. How many time it will divide? 12 3 ja 36. Y to the power you have taken common. Here y to the power 8 is there. So how many power will left? Y to the power 4 will left. Because 4 plus 4 again it will become 8 if you will multiply. Okay, minus 72 is there. Okay, divide this 72 by this 12. 12 6 ja 72. Y to the power you have taken as common. Here y to the power 6 is there. So 6 minus 4, how much will remain? Y to the power 2 will remain beta. Okay, plus 12 9 ja 108. 9 times it is dividing. Y to the power 4 you have taken as common. So nothing will remain along with here. So here 12 y to the power 4. Why I have done this? So that I can make them cancel. So whatever will remaining, okay, this will be as your answer 3y to the power 4 minus 6y square plus 9 will be as your answer. Okay, now come to the next part of the question. Here also see that beta, a square, b square, c square. Here a square, b cube, c square, a square, b square, c cube. Okay, in this way they are. Now see, that means a square least power is a square, b square, c square, everywhere it is there. So I can make them cancel. So what I am going to do beta, see that, and 48 in this way it is there. Okay, bracket is there. So what you will do beta, 48 just leave here. You can take a square as common, b square also common, or c square also common. Okay, here beta, a cube, b square, c square, b square, c square came outside. Here a cube is there, so a square you have taken. So what will remain? A will remain inside. Plus here b cube is there, a square and c square they are coming as common. So here b will remain. Okay, one power of b will remain, and in the same way one power of c will remain upon minus 2 a square, b square, c square. A square cancel, b square cancel, or c square cancel. Okay, 2 will cancel how many times? 24. So what will be your answer? Minus 24 a plus b plus c. It is becoming minus sign in denominator, but you can write it, if it is in denominator you can write it along with the numerator or along with the denominator. Nothing will impact on it. Okay beta, now come to the this question. Okay, minus 54 x square, y square, z square. 3z minus how much beta? 3z minus 24 upon 24 x, y or z. See that beta, it is 27, not 24, 27 is there. So 27 2 ja 54. Okay, x square one power will cancel. Here y by y square and z by z square. So what will remain here? Minus 2 x, y and z. Okay, now from here 3 is common, 3z minus 24 is there. So if you will take 3 from inside of the bracket as common, so what will remain beta? Okay, into 3 if you will take common, so here it will remain z, minus 3 8 ja 24, z minus 8 upon here what will remain now? Z minus 8. Okay, z minus 8 and z minus 8 will become cancel now. So what will become? 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 x, y, z, and this will be as your answer. Okay, this will be as your answer. Now see that this question, a plus 1, a plus 5, a plus 7 upon a plus 1. So it is very simple. A plus 1, a plus 5, a plus 7 upon a plus 1 beta. It is so simple. See that these will become cancelled. So what will be on answer? A plus 5 and a plus 7. This will be as your answer. Okay, now come to the E part of the question. See that beta, this kind of question previously in middle term splitting you have done. X square minus 5x plus 6. What I told you at that time, do it in a separate way. X square minus 5x plus 6 beta. Compare it with ax square plus bx or plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a here? 1. A is equal to beta 1. B is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to beta 6. Okay, so afterwards what I taught you, a into c. A into c means beta 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Now see that if you would like to see the table, in how many tables 6 is coming? 6 1 ja 6. Okay, 3 2 ja 6. अब by subtracting these numbers, these multiples, you should get the middle term, adding or subtracting, whether by adding or whether by subtracting. So you can see that what happens. Okay, if I will take 6 minus 1, so you are getting 5. Okay, this one is also correct, we can take this one also. 3 2 ja beta 6. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, multiplication coming equal to a into c, that is also okay. And if I will add 3 plus 2, then also we get middle term, 3 plus 2 5. But here beta, why I am going to take this one? Why I am going to take this one? You can ask me that, ma'am, this was also giving to the middle term 5, and this is also giving to the middle term as 5. I am taking this as beta. If here you can see that 2 is coming, x minus 2. But here if I will take as a 6 and 1 as a factor, so I can get as whether x plus 6 or x minus 6 or x minus 1 or x plus 1. In this form it will come. But if I will take this as, so it can come as x plus 3, or whether x minus 3 it comes, or in form of x minus 2. So that's why I am selecting it. In this way it can become cancel. Okay, now see that what I will do. Now see that x square, now I am doing middle term splitting here only. Okay, which factor I have selected as 3 and 2. So what I will do, see that beta, x square minus, I will write it as it is. Okay, here I am writing 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 3 plus 2 as 5. Okay, here x plus 6 upon x minus 2. So what it will become? X square minus 3x, then multiply this minus and plus, minus 2x plus 6. Okay beta, upon x minus 2. Now see that, you can see that now, here what sign will come? I am writing it here, just wait. Okay, see it now. X I have taken as common, x minus 3. Then minus 2 I have taken common. Here, why I am minus 2 taking as a common beta? Because in these two terms before minus sign is there. That's why I am taking minus as common. If I will take minus as common, then while I will take out is as common, so internal sign will change here. So what it will become, see that minus 2 I have taken. Okay, so here x is there and x plus 6 is there. Okay, so plus will become minus now. Okay, and 6 2 3 ja 6, x minus 3 upon x minus 2. Now see that what it will become beta, x minus 3 is again it will come as common, or here x will remain and minus 2. So x minus 2 will be the another factor upon x minus 2. X minus 2 and x minus 2 will become cancel. So what will be your answer? X minus 3 will be as your answer. Okay, now see that a part of the question. This question is also like that same. You will do the middle term splitting in this question first. Okay, then it will come in this format, and as same as I have done E part. Okay, that's why G part you will do yourself beta in homework. Okay, middle term splitting you will do. Okay, and everybody knows how to do the middle term splitting now. Okay beta, I am hoping that you have learned the middle term splitting, and just now I have revised it also. Whether this chapter is not coming in your exam, but it is necessary to learn, because afterwards after your half yearly exams we will not going to discuss this question this chapter again. Okay, so just complete your topic also. Now see that beta, 12xy, and this is very important question for your next class. Now see that 12xy upon 225x square minus 49. In which format your inside bracket is looking to you? If you will see that beta, inside of the bracket it is looking like a square minus b square. I am writing the formula. See that how I will write a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, a plus b and a minus b. Now see that 12xy, 225 is a square of which number beta? 15. It is square of 15. So you can write at 15x whole square minus 49 is a square of which number? 7. 7y whole square. Okay. Upon 3xy or 15x plus 7y. Now see that beta, it is looking like a square minus b square. If you will compare square are in their own places. So what is inside the bracket? 15x is there. So what will be value of a? A is equal to 15x and b is equal to beta 7y. Now put the values here. A plus b. A plus b means 15x plus 7y. Okay. And 15x minus 7y. We have written in this format. Out of the bracket what is there? 12xy. Now this one we have simplified. Okay. Upon 3xy or 15x plus beta 7y. 15x plus 7y will become cancelled by 15x plus 7y. X and x will become cancelled. Y and y will become 3 4 ja beta 12. So what will remain now? What will be your answer? 4 is remaining in numerator 4 and here 15x minus 7y. So this will be as your answer. Okay. The same way G part, do the middle term splitting. Show me in my WhatsApp number. Okay. That you have done this as your homework beta. Okay. Now come to the question number 7th, and this is maybe the last question of your exercise. Divide and verify the result. How we will do? Here we will do the division. This time we were doing the division in a simplest form. Okay. Now we are going to do the division as beta in arithmetic previously we were doing. Okay. As we do in arithmetic na, same way we are going to do division here also. See that how we do the algebraic division now. Okay. See 3p minus 1 by 3p minus 1 you have to divide. I am going to do it here beta. To 36p square minus 12p plus 10. Always beta in algebraic division always focus in first term. What? 36 you have to make. To which term? 36p square. What you have to make? 36p square. But only this much only you have to focus. Okay, nothing else. Now by which number you will multiply to this 3p so that it will become 36p square. So divide this 3 by 36. 12 will come beta. What will come? 12 3 is 36. So 12 times it will divide. By which number you can multiply to p so it will become p square? By p. So 12p times it will be divided. Okay. And now I am multiplying it. 12 3 ja 36 beta. And p into p, p square. Okay. Okay beta. See very carefully. Okay. Now minus here plus and minus. Plus into minus beta minus. 12 1 ja 12. 12p. Okay. Now see that because these are like term, that's why I am writing exactly under each other. Now when we do the algebraic subtraction, at that time you know na their internal sign changes. That's why here plus is there, so it will become minus. Here under sign you have to focus, not the above one. Here minus sign is there, this one. So under this sign you just put the plus sign. No, the value of this sign has nothing. Okay. So what is now value of this? As plus 12p. Okay beta. Here plus 630p square. Here minus 36p square. They will become cancel beta. Here minus 12p and this plus 12p. Again it will become cancel. Okay. Now which will remain? Here now afterwards we bring down the next number. Na? So it will be 10. So here 3p by 3p 10 cannot be divided because this is algebraic term or this is arithmetic term. So what will we do? See, this will be your as your remainder. Okay. Now we have to verify the result also. So you know na dividend. Everybody knows this formula. dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? So means if we multiply divisor into quotient, what is beta divisor? 3p minus 1. 3p minus 1 into quotient how much? Into 12p. Or plus remainder how much beta? Plus 10. So we should get, if it will come equal to this, it means it has verified. See that now. 12 3 ja 36, multiply p into p, p square. Then 12 into 1, 12 1 ja 12 p or plus 10. This is coming equal to this, is equal to dividend. This was our dividend na? Okay, dividend. So it has verified. It has beta verified. So in this way you have to do. Now come to the next question. So see that beta, what is the next part of the question? 144x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 6. You have to divide by 6x minus 2. See that how I am going to do this question. Okay, see very carefully, be attentive, then only you can understand beta. By 6x minus 2, I am going to divide this function, expression 144x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 6. What is your first term beta? 144. By 144 you just divide it by 6. Okay, just see that. See that beta, 144x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 6 you have to divide by 6x minus 2. So how you will do? If you will divide it by 6x minus 2, you see that 144, if you will divide by 6, what you are getting? 24. So by 24, if you will multiply to 6, so you will get 144x cube. X square into x beta, x cube. Okay, now this multiplication has completed by 6s. Now by minus 2 you have to multiply. So minus 24 2 ja 48 minus 48 x square. So what you will write here? On subtracting now. So sign will change. Here plus was there, so it will become minus. Here minus was there, it will become plus. Now this minus sign value have finished. There will be no value of this sign now. Now this one is plus and this one is minus, so they have become cancelled. They are having equal value now. See that beta, this is plus 48x square and this is 1x square. So how much it will become? 49x square. Bring down now, next term minus 5x. But by 6x, in 6 table 49 is not coming. Okay, so the further division is not possible. So what you will do? And bring down now plus 6 also. So what it will be? This will be as remainder. This will be as remainder. This is not very good question. Here further division is not possible. Only in one term it was possible. So whatever is given, anyhow now we are going to do this question to complete, because we have to complete this one also. So this will be as your remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we have to find it. Okay, what is your divisor beta? 6x minus 2 multiplied by quotient 24x square. A plus remainder is 49x square minus 5x or plus 6 beta. Now see that 24 into 6, how much it will become? 144x cube. After multiplication we x into x square x cube minus 24 2 ja minus 48x square plus 49x square minus 5x plus 6. It was not very good question. Okay, 144x cube, 49x square and 48x square, both are like term. Two opposite sign number are subtracted. So subtract 49 minus 48, 1. Greater number having what sign? Plus 1, x square. Okay, minus 5x or plus 6. So see that it was your dividend. So it equal to dividend. So it has verified. It has beta verified. Now I am going to do next question. Okay, or otherwise some more question we will learn after. In division again we will do one more time. Okay, just see here now. First of all, we are completing your syllabus. Now come to the C part. See that beta, this is our question. We have to divide it by x minus 2. What you need? X to the power 4. So how many times x by x, if by which x, how many x you should multiply, so you will get x to the power x cube. Here nothing is there, so we need 100. So 100 x cube, if you will multiply by x, so you will get 100 x to the power 4 beta. Okay, this division of x has completed now. 100 2 ja 200 minus and x cube we are getting. So you can see that beta here, no, not any term having x cube. So how we can write? We will write away from here, minus 100 2 ja 200. 100 2 ja beta 200 x cube will be, because here in our question no x cube terms were there, so I have written this away from them, because I cannot write them under exactly under them. So now you will see that what will happen now. Here subtracting, what you will write beta? Subtracting now. Okay, so what will happen? Here plus sign was there, so it will become minus. Here minus was there, so it will become plus. Okay, now these two terms will become cancelled. Or which is the greatest degree of the term, any term now? This one. So you just bring down it, because now we will do division in this term. So what is this? 200 x cube. Okay, and another term can be minus 50 x square. Okay, I am bringing down these two terms together now. Now see that beta. Okay, I have to make, what will be our focus now? Only on first term. हमारा केवल इस पर फोकस रहेगा कि हमको ये वाली टर्म बनानी है. x को x क्यूब बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम? x स्क्वायर से. ओके, बाय विच टर्म? x स्क्वायर. एंड हाउ मच आई नीड? 200. सो प्लस, बिकॉज हियर ऑल्सो प्लस साइन इज देयर, दैट्स वाई जो साइन यहाँ रहेगा वही साइन यहाँ भी जाएगा. सो 200 x स्क्वायर. ओके, सो 200 x square to x you will multiply. What you will get? 200 x cube. Okay, now by this its multiplication has completed. 200 x square multiply by 2. So 200 2 ja 400 x square you will get, minus 400 x square. Okay beta, now see that again. What will do? Subtraction. What we will do again? Subtraction. Always we subtract na when we do the division. In each term we do the subtraction also. Here plus sign is there, so it will be minus. Here minus sign is there, so it will become plus. So these two terms will become cancel beta. 400 x square now plus 400 x square minus 50. So 400 is plus, this one is minus. So two opposite sign number, or you can see that this is, if you will write them, so 400 or minus 50, so what it will become beta? 350 x square. What it will become? 350 x square. Now what is next term beta? Minus 5x. Okay, we are bringing it, the next term is minus 5x. So what we have to make? 350 x square. किसको? x को क्या बनाना है अब आपको? 350 x स्क्वायर. सो हाउ यू विल डू? मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 350 x. मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 350 x. व्हाट साइन? प्लस. तो यहाँ भी प्लस जाएगा. ठीक है, वट एवर साइन विल हियर इन अलॉन्ग विद द फर्स्ट टर्म, सेम साइन यू विल राइट इन द कोशेंट. अगर यहाँ माइनस होता तो हम यहाँ माइनस ही लिखते. ओके, सो इट विल बी 350 x. 350 x. नाउ राइट दैट 350 x इंटू 350, multiply 350 x into x, so what it will become? 350 x square. So plus into minus, how much? 352 ja 352 ja beta 700 x. 700 x. Now again beta subtraction. Here plus sign is there, so minus. Here minus sign is there, so it will become plus. So these two will become cancel. So 700 x minus 5x. 5x, how much it will remain? 700 में से 500 आपने 5x आपने माइनस करा. How it will remain now? 695x and plus 1 will come now. Plus 1. So by which x is already there. So here plus sign is there, so write plus sign over here. So what it will be 695, only 695 you will write, क्योंकि 695 को जब आप x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो you will get 695x. So write here 695. Okay, so 695 into x, it will become 695x. Or now close this x. Now 695 2 ja minus, beta, now see that 695 into minus 2, what it will be? What it will be, beta? 1390. So minus 1390. Now again do subtraction. Here minus sign, here this minus there, so it will be plus. So these both will become cancel. Okay, here 1390 plus and plus 1, so what it will be? 1391. So it will be as your remainder. Now we have to verify it. It was so long question. Okay, now see, you have to verify. So divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. You should get is equal to dividend. Now how we will do? See here now. Now see that, beta, I have written the values here. It was our divisor, it came quotient, and this as remainder. Okay, now we have to multiply 100x cube. First multiply it by x. See that how we will do. You know na, how we will do the multiplication. First x will multiply to 100x cube plus 200x square plus 350x plus 695. Okay, by first term. Then minus term is, second term is as minus 2. So by minus 2. Again this complete term will multiply 100x cube plus 200x square plus 350x or plus 695. Okay, and plus lastly as remainder 1391. Okay, now see that it is too much long, that's why it is not completely, it is not coming in your screen also. So in this sequence I am showing you. Okay, you just see, beta. Now see, start from here. Okay, 100 into x cube, what it will become, beta? 100x to the power 4 plus 200x square into x, 200x cube plus 350x into x, 350x square plus 695x. Now by this minus 2, minus 200x cube. Okay, then maybe this will be visible to you. Minus 200 2 ja 400 x square, 352 ja 700, minus into plus minus 700 x. Okay, beta, 695 into 2, what it was coming? 1390. So plus into minus minus 1390 or plus 1391. Now see that something are like terms which can be cancelled, 200x cube, and here also minus 200x cube. So these both the terms will become cancelled, beta. Okay, now see that 695x. See that now what will remain? First of all 100x to the power 4 plus 350x square, like terms I am collecting, minus 400x square. Okay, plus 695x minus 700x minus 1390 plus 1391. Okay, this much we have remained down. Now see that, beta, what will remain? 100x to the power 4, 350x square minus 400x square. These both are like terms. Two opposite sign number are subtraction. So subtract them. Subtract 400 minus 350. What will be? 50. What greater number having what sign? Minus. So it will be minus 50x square. Okay. 695 minus 700x. They both are like terms. Okay. So subtract them. Two opposite sign number, subtraction. 700 minus 695. How much it will remain? 5. 5x. What is greater number having what sign? Minus. So minus 5x. Okay. Now last term, constant term. Minus 1390 plus 1391. Two opposite sign number subtraction. So subtract 1391 minus 1390. What will remain beta? 1. Okay. So what is the means what the greater number having what sign? Plus. So it will be plus 1. So you can see that it is coming equal to your dividend. See that it was your dividend. 100x to the power 4 minus 50x square minus 5x plus 1, and here also 100x to the power 4 minus 50x square minus 5x plus 1. So it equal to क्या बन what it has become now? Dividend. Okay, so it has verified now. It has verified. So in this way, two simple question are there. D and E part beta. D and E part I am leaving for you as your homework. Okay, so you will do this question yourself, and if you will have any doubt, so again you will write me for that you are not getting. If any doubt will be there, whether if you will not get the answer, so you will write me in my WhatsApp number. Just in this way, today we have completed your portion also beta. Do your homework yourself. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.